Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how you can add best friend on Snapchat. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your application to the latest version. So then open up your Snapchat application. After you open up your Snapchat application, tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of your screen. Next page, you'll be directed to your profile page. So then scroll down. So right over here on the friend section, tap on my friend. Next page, you'll be able to see your best friend list as well as your normal friend. So in order to add someone on your best friend list, what you have to do is you simply have to go back and then tap on add friends. After that, what you have to do is you'll have to add them. After you add them on your Snapchat, take a snap. So there is no direct method to add someone to your best friend list. So what you have to do is, in order to add them to your best friend list, you'll have to frequently send snap or exchange snap to each other, and after that the user will be automatically added to your best friend list. So that is the only method to add someone to your best friend list on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.